So you generate an image in Xfield AI and you want to convert that into video or animation. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that, guys, because Xfield AI is absolutely amazing what it can do. So once you go ahead and generate your image, all you have to do is hover over the image and you will see the video icon here. It says animate. You can click it or you can click on the image to expand it and you will see the option to animate as well. So click on animate and you can now animate. So here you can just basically write a prompt what you want this to do with the animation. So you can describe the scene. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply take this same exact prompt because I was kind of like working within ChatGPT. So I'm gonna just say to ChatGPT, let's animate this, right? Give me a cool prompt because I don't know what to write. Right? But you get the idea. So ChatGPT is going to give me a cool prompt to animate it. And so once it gives me the prompt here, as you can see right here, really cool, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to just go out to Higgsfield and paste that in. And now I'm going to generate. It's going to cost 10 credits, but who cares, right? We want to see what it can actually do with animation. So you copy that in and yeah, it's going to create the scene or create the animation or the video for it. And I'm sure it's going to be really, really cool, guys. I'm sure it's going to be really cool. So let's just wait for it and we'll see the end results. But yeah, if you generate any images within Higgsfield AI, you can quickly turn those into videos really, really fast. That's what I really love about it. And yeah, let me just show you what this actually turns out to be. And so here you have it, guys. The video the animation is finished. Now I want to show you something. Let's just have a look at the prompt. And you can see how detailed the prompt is, right? Now let's have a look at the video. Whoa, that's amazing, yo. I think that it's so cool. I really love it, guys. And you can see how quick and easy you can use Higgsfield to really generate some really cool videos. If you find this useful, guys, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you ever tried Higgsfield yet, or if you'd like me to show you more videos just like this one, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, you can find at the end of this video a Higgsfield AI playlist dedicated so you can see all what I'm doing with Higgsfield and so that you can see if it's something that you really enjoy and would like to get as well. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.